So, practice mo na nakalamansi. Alam na ninyo kung anong procedure. Kung sino makakarating na huli, siya yung last man, dadalhin yung kalamansi sa unahan nang hindi na uhulo. At ipapatong dito sa ibaba. At tuloy tampok ng banner. At isend the rule.
Because the water
Okay, ito ang mga team members.
now they are yeah.
Okay. Makilagay niyo ng marker para
Hi, Brother Jess. Balik pa ka dyan? Okay. Hello, Nanay. Hello, happy family day. Hello, everyone. Love you all.
nasa na yung ka-team? Okay? At kikumpleto na yung team, tawagan ninyo. Pumila kayo para mabilang. Calling Mark.
Mark.
So this is our second game for this afternoon. Okay. Kulang pa na isa sa blue team. Anybody from the blue team? Christy?